again, we played the MVP. It's always tough to play against Casey De La Rosa. We tried to limit her, but we failed on doing that. She still got her usual numbers, 21-13. So that's how good Casey is, right? And we should be more ready facing them in the second round. Give credit to Ateneo for coming out today with some sense of urgency of trying to get a win against us. And for the first three quarters, all of us were not locked in on what we were supposed to do. And just glad that during the fourth quarter we got our bearings back and we stayed with a game plan on how to stop them. And today was more of a their starters doing their job and our reserve players, our bench players, doing their shares for us. So just glad that the first round is over and Tine and Shell is right here beside me after this game, and the goal was to stay on top after the final buzzer, and we're kind of happy on what happened right here.
Thank you. By the way, Casey had 7 double-doubles this season.
Wow.
Yellow, you had 12 points, 5 rebounds, 3 steals, and 1 assist. So, ano masasabi mo na naitawin niyo ang person na may 7-0 record? Ano yung kailangan nyo gawin para masustain nyo yung high level of yung level of play nyo para lalo't mabigat na yung darating na second round?
Siyempre po, sobrang happy kasi ang goal po talaga namin is matapos po yung first round na to na nasa top pa rin po kami. So, siguro po sa tingin ko yung kailangan namin i-maintain is yung effort, yung communication sa loob ng court, tsaka yung energy namin kung paano kami naglaro this first round.
Thank you. Good team, you have 11 points, 5 rebounds, 1 block, and 1 assist. So, ano yung kailangan yung gawin para sa second round manatili kayo sa taas? Siyempre, lalo na medyo, at least, na-scout na kayo ng mga kalaban nyo ito first round para ma-maintain nyo yung standing nyo.
Ayun nga, gaya ng sabi ni Shiloh, kailangan lang namin i-maintain yung effort namin, yung communication namin, and kailangan lock in kami pareho, lalo na ngayon na second round na mas higpit yung laban, and kailangan mag-focus lang kami.
Coach, sa buong first round, probably ito po yung talagang toughest challenge na naging yung kumbaga hanggang dulo talaga naibigan kayo ng Ateneo. Siguro ano na lang po yung maidadala yung lesson from this game to the second round na para ma-avoid yung mga ganitong klaseng games.
We can come in with a better mindset and stay locked in sa kung anong game plan namin, and there's no room for us na may ilang players na wala sa focus. Kasi syempre you have to be in one page inside the court, you know? So yung mga nasa bench kailangan ready sila, so that pagpasok nila sa loob hindi iba-iba yung ginagawa namin. So that's one of the challenge for us going to the second round, and we have to check that also coming out of the gates more prepared than this game. And we buckled some stretches wherein our big guys were in foul trouble. Give credit to Casey and to Sarah for really coming out aggressive today, getting those fouls against our bigs, and that goes to show how well they improve individually and Ateneo as a team, and hopefully mas better yung showing namin sa second round.
Shiloh, for you, after 7 games, of course, as a rookie, kamusta na lang yung adjustment mo, and satisfied ka sa first couple of games mo dito sa UAAP Seniors?
Sobra po talaga akong nag-struggle, lalo na po nung first 6 games namin. Parang ngayong 7th game po, parang sinabi ko na kailangan ko makuha yung kumpiyansa ko bago matapos tong first round na to. Kasi lalo na pag second round, kasi alam kong sobrang mas ano pa yung kalaban namin, parang sobrang hihigpit pa yung mga kalaban namin. So kaya talagang ina-adjust ko talaga na mag-focus ng maayos. Kailangan talaga physically, mentally ready talaga.
Team Paliseo is one of the leaders of the team after the first round. Ano yung paningin mo dun sa mindset ng team, do you think may kailangan pa i-adjust kayo in terms of paano nyo tinitignan yung mga games and kalaban nyo going into the second round?
Actually, marami pa kaming kailangan i-adjust and syempre yun nga, laging sinasabi ng mga coaches and mga boss namin na huwag kami laging maging complacent sa lahat ng mga games namin kasi bilog ang bola and lahat sila eager na talunin kami and kunin yung spot namin sa taas. So yun. Ano lang.
Coach, of course, alam naman natin na medyo gigil din talaga yung team in terms of wanting to get back yung crown. No? Siguro paano nyo na lang po tinetemper yung players na kumbaga one game at a time lang yung approach nyo. Especially going into the second round, medyo mas palapit na kayo sa Final Four and then sa ano, paano mo na lang pinapafocus yung players mo?
Just by staying at the present. Yun yung pinaka-mindset namin. We don't look too far ahead and we don't look too far sa mga nagdaan. So, kung ano yung nasa harap namin, yun yung gagawa namin na paraan. So, may it be a practice, may it be a game, may it be a possession, may it be a defensive lockdown, kailangan yun lang ang breakdown namin. We don't look na sa dulo na agad ng tulay. So, kailangan namin, every step of the way, kailangan tama yung hakbang namin towards dun sa goal na gusto namin mangyari. So, yun yung pinaka-mindset namin. Just taking it one possession at a time.
Congratulations, Coach Aris.